so cute.
Are you going to meet Minnie and Mickey? All right, get ready. Anna Marie, are you ready?
Are you ready? They're like, do we go? Do we want kids going in? Once we get in there, I'll have the grown up on the other side of the wall. Since the camera is by itself, so that's where are you going?
Come on, Anna.
We're just gonna fan our part with girl. Sweet. That's a big
Oh.
hug. Oh, you know your ears are on backwards. There you go. We want the bow in the front. Unless it's tangled in your hair and you get it.
Ooh.
Never mind. It's fine how it is. It's all good. Oh yeah, Mickey's gonna fix it. There you go. There you go.
All right, Anna Marie, get in the picture.
Go stand by your sister. And or cousin. And we'll have the